Ano main? Ik ga alvast in de rij staan. Ik ben er al. Ik ben
You can see it from your phone. Shai has one.
Yeah.
Ciao Carol.
Watch it. Uma ukela airport. Ngin gia dunu en. Rexona mito. Our driver. Ngibino kakela airport. Selep. Uma me tiki bag pericha. Ame tiki mega. Munena. What ticket? You are a choice not to pick it. You are a choice.
No, I just didn't. It's in the car. I need to go get it.
Oh.
So I knew the thing.
Oh, to pay.
Yeah, and 1 minute, what will we do? For sure, yeah.
My intel, mama to it. Ma, very bon. This is Brisbane. Brisbane International. Brisbane International Terminal. How see this?
We can go in for this.
Press them both.
Maybe that's
It's very convenient. Hey, Lore, my bag.
We are going to
Level 4.
Going up.
level 4, yeah. Everyone smile.
Oma, hay miro ano, logi kong ano. Oh, quiero kanya dunu. You are the leader.
I don't know. The class is level 4.
What kid malala? Let's go with the lift.
Yeah.
China Southern Airlines.
China is down there. Or they.
Southern Airlines. Yeah.
Where's that?
Guangzhou, that
Oh, yeah, I
one.
was gonna
2300. 6.
What?
Road 3. 6.
say. 3.
Road 6. Oh, is it? Hello. Ah,
Hello.
When was the last time I saw you? When was the last time I saw you? Last
hoe gaat ie?
Goed, man, ja?
Ja,
Genoten?
zeker.
Oh, ja.
No, en ik wil een mes ook nog die gam hier, hè? Ja,
You.
Ja.
Ready to go back. Achan Joska. One last word.
come back, stay here.
Yeah, that's what I said,
Yeah.
right? Gotta move on over, sis.
Where are you guys going? Stay here.
So sad.
It's the time to see the passport.
You got a new bag?
Huh?
Yeah, this one. Oma, one last word. One last word.
You have to say bye, farewell.
Yeah, bye bye.
You mean more than magang?
Eh, modern magang weng. Marakiel da muten ko.
Message you can see.
Meche jong pere.
Message pe?
Awajam achigo ina yedam. Ina ngi wodi dum barba.
Ana foike.
Kaye jote indo you. What bill?
Ando na in kona.
Weng gun weng at yo.
Farewell, my love. I'll see you next time. And please come back soon. And
I'm hoping to see you this year in Europe.
We'll see. God willing.
Both you and Sharon. I told her the same
We'll
thing.
come.
This year.
Maybe Christmas, if not, then June, July.
You wanted to see the snow, right?
I want to see snow.
Then you have to come in the winter time, which is in December,
Yeah.
from November, December,
That's
January.
Christmas time.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be there.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.